welcome all of you to join this charity event. It's awesome to see so many old friends and familiar faces here. I trust all of you come here just for two reasons: golf and charity. This is already the 10th time that Clearwater Bay collaborate with the Anti-Cancer Society to organize this charity event. Since 2016, these two parties have been focused on the support of the charity bed program of the Cancer Rehabilitation Center. The parties, we have the same focus to serve the people, the cancer people that are in need. Let's play the game, hit a long drive on the tee box, make the ball as close to the pin as possible in all par 3 and make some eagles. And let us play together to have big win to blow away all this fog and enjoy the game. Thank you.
今日我哋好高興咧，能夠再喺呢度咧係舉行第10次嘅高爾夫球賽。咁今次咧亦都咧係香港防癌會咧同清水灣嘅高爾夫球咧係一齊咧係合辦嘅，為咗一啲咧係癌症嘅病人咧能夠可以咧係住喺我哋嗰個嘅康復中心，所以咧呢啲慈善愛心病床咧係可以幫到好多嘅癌症嘅病人同埋佢哋嘅家人嘅。我哋喺度咧要特別多謝好多嘅支持我哋呢個活動嘅善長啦，多謝好多人咧係支持我哋呢一個嘅高爾夫球賽，佢哋嘅支持咧令到我哋咧今次咧係可以籌得咧係超過100萬㗎啦，係可以咧幫助好多有需要嘅病人啦、癌症嘅病人同埋佢哋家人。我喺度咧要再多謝大家嘅。